this is Kelly with Kelly.Broaddus Real Estate Advisors. Actually, we're changing our name, and I will inform you of that later. But today I wanted to talk a little bit about adjustable rate mortgage, digging into my past a little bit. Many of you know, maybe some of you don't, that back pre-2008, I was a loan officer, owned a mortgage company, and did that for about 15 years. So have a little bit of knowledge about mortgages. Of course, things have changed a lot since then, but I wanted to kind of talk about adjustable rate mortgages. They're not real common right now because typically they come into fashion when rates are a little bit higher and people are wanting, that lower rate. They call it a teaser rate, and an adjustable rate mortgage will start out with a very low rate to get folks to take that type of loan. And anyway, what it's called, the acronym, it's called an ARM, A-R-M, and which stands for the adjustable rate mortgage. And anyway, so they have many names, like there's a 5-1, a 7-1, a 7-2, and what that means is that it's fixed for 5 years, it's fixed for 7 years, and then it can adjust every year or every 2 years. Or every month or every 2 months. And that you would definitely want to talk to your loan officer about the advantages and the disadvantages. Typically, people will use an adjustable rate mortgage when they're not going to keep the house for longer than 5 years or longer than 7 years. So they get that lower rate for that period of time. Another thing you definitely want to check on, the laws are always changing, and in the old days, those loans always had a prepayment penalty. These days, they've put some real restrictions on using prepayment penalties, so that is definitely something you want to ask about, whether, what type of prepayment penalty, how long it lasts, and how long you're stuck into that loan, because what that means is that if you decide to pay off that loan, you have to pay a huge fee that, in order to get rid of that loan. So that may not work for your plans. This loan is best for folks that are not keeping the home for very long. And they are usually tied to the LIBOR. There's another index that they're tied to too. And you want to ask your lender, what index is this adjustable rate mortgage tied to? Because one of them is a little bit more punishing than the other. So you definitely want to know that too. Anyway, that is just sort of a snapshot, just a little picture of what an ARM loan is. And you want to definitely talk to your lender about it, and you will sound very smart if you are asking about an ARM, and you will be very educated. So it's very important, and you don't hear about them much right now because rates are so low. But anyway, that's all I have to say today. Give me a call if you need anything or if you have any questions. This is Kelly.Broaddus. My number is 928-606-6749. I'm happy to help with anything. Thank you so much.